Once upon a time, in the charming village of Whiskerwood, a gentle river flowed at the edge of the woodlands, where every animal knew each other by name. One warm summer evening, as the sun began to set, painting the sky with hues of pink and gold, a little cat named Tinker found himself in a bit of a predicament. Tinker, known for his curiosity, had been exploring the banks of the river. As he chased a particularly shiny dragonfly, he misstepped on a slippery rock and found himself teetering at the river's edge. Just when he thought he might tumble in, a swift little rabbit named Pip appeared. With a determined look in his eyes, Pip reached out with a friendly paw. "Hold on, Tinker," Pip called, hopping to his side. Using all his might, Pip pulled Tinker away from the water's edge and onto safe ground. Breathing heavily but relieved, Tinker sat down next to Pip. The cat was safe, albeit a little embarrassed by his precarious adventure. He looked at his rabbit rescuer and managed a shy smile. Pip smiled kindly back, his eyes twinkling. "No need to feel embarrassed. Everyone gets a little too curious sometimes," he chuckled. As they sat together by the riverbank, the glow of the setting sun reflected off the water, casting a peaceful aura over the two new friends. Both relaxed into the comforting sounds of the river gently flowing and the evening crickets beginning their nightly song. Tinker, now grateful and with gratitude brimming in his eyes, turned to Pip again and said, "Thank you, Pip. I might have been a soggy cat if it weren't for you." Pip just nodded with a warm smile. "That's what friends are for, Tinker. Now, let's watch the sun set together." And so, the unlikely pair sat side by side, a cat and a rabbit, enjoying the beautiful tranquility of the evening. In that moment, a new friendship was forged, and Tinker knew he had someone he could always count on. The village animals often spoke of this heartwarming story, reminding everyone that friendship could be found in the most unexpected places, even between a curious cat and a brave little rabbit by the riverside.